Potato cakes cooked in a barbecue until golden and crispy that taste this good should be illegal. It's the great Aussie debate, potato cake or potato scallop. No matter what you call these tasty treats of slithered potato in batter, I'm going to show you 5 easy steps to perfect them in your barbecue. So just sit right back, grab a drink or two and let's get into it. We'll be needing frozen potato cakes for this recipe. Yes, I know by calling these potato cakes, half of the Australians watching this video, their eyes just started twitching because they call them potato scallops. But it quite clearly says potato cakes. And sadly my butcher Mick doesn't stock these down at Gippsland Premium Meats. So that just meant no cuddles this week. Did you know that potatoes are grown underground and scallops grow in the ocean? Apparently half of Australia doesn't understand this. Step 1 is setting up your barbecue correctly. And today I'm using this 57 centimetre spherical shaped charcoal burning unit and I'm going to pair it up with a kettle cone. Why? Because I want to be cooking at temps of 240 degrees Celsius and above today. And how I'll do that is by 3/4 filling a chimney starter with briquettes, lighting them up. Once they're fully ashed over, I'll grab my kettle cone, I'll place it in the middle of the charcoal grate and I'll dump the fuel into it. I'll put the grill back in place in a safe and careful manner. Then I'll put the lid back on, making sure all the vents are wide open, and we're going to give that 10 minutes to warm up. Step 2 is getting the potato cakes ready for the grill. No need to thaw these out, hence why we got the barbecue ready first. This is definitely a job for gloves, and you know the drill when putting them on. Don't forget to give them a snap. Makes you look professional. Deal them out like cards on a tray, give them a light spray of cooking oil, flip them all over, and do the other side. That's it, they're ready for the grill. Once the grill's warmed up, you just need to throw the potato cakes onto the grill. Taking care to make sure they're all around the outer edges of the grill, as this is where the high heat is being forced by that kettle cone. Slam the lid on and grab a drink. Step 3 is making sure those potato cakes cook evenly. And if you didn't know, kettle-shaped barbecue lid vents create a hot spot, as cold oxygen is sucked in through the bowl vents up and around our food, forcing the air out of this lid vent, creating a hot spot. Therefore, I recommend turning the lid a third of the way every 15 minutes during the cook. Step 4 is how to season these potato cakes. We're going to get some chicken salt seasoning ready. What you can do is add all of these ingredients into a bowl and mix up, or push that aside and grab the best chicken salt I've ever tasted, and that would be Atomic Chicken's chicken salt. We Aussies love our chicken salt, so much so every fish and chip shop in Australia has some. Chicken salt was originally invented back in the 1970s by an Australian called Peter Brinkworth. Apparently, not all heroes wear capes. Cheers to you, Pete. Today I was cooking with a high indirect heat of 240 degrees Celsius, and all up these potato cakes took 45 minutes. Or for those of you who love to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 2-beer cook. Cheers. Just look at them, perfect and crispy. Time to get these off the grill and into a bowl. Step 5, stop calling these potato scallops. I like to add a bit of white vinegar to mine and shake that up. And then we're just going to season them with our chicken salt and shake that up again. All that's left to do is shove that in your gob and enjoy.